Hello guys, welcome to my channel Classes for Learning. So guys, we eat food when we feel hungry, we drink water when we are thirsty, and we cry when we feel sad. These human beings are capable of reacting to different temperatures, taste, emotions, and various other things related to their surroundings. What make us to react? What does we understand our surrounding? And what are the parts of our body that control these functions? Why are some of the activities in our body beyond our control? Let us read further to find out. Human nervous system. The nervous system, what do you know about nervous system? What is nervous system? Okay. So the nervous system is an organ system which help us to interact and respond to our surroundings. It consists of brain, spinal cord, sensory organs and huge network of nerves which connect all these organs to the rest of the body. You know the nervous system is divided into two parts: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Let's talk about central nervous system. The brain and the spinal cord together form the central nervous system or CNS. It acts as the control center in which information is processed for the whole body. The CNS controls all the responses based on the external and internal stimuli. What do you mean by stimuli? Stimuli is a thing or event that evokes a specific reaction in an organ or a tissue of our body. It controls understanding of language, creativity, expressions, and emotions of a person. Peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system or PNS includes all the parts of the nervous system other than the brain and spinal cord. It connects the CNS and the rest of the body through cable-like structure called nerves. The, the PNS is divided into two types: somatic nervous system (SNS) and autonomic nervous system. Let's further discuss about somatic nervous system. This system includes the parts of the nervous system which control the voluntary functions of our body. Voluntary means done by choice. Okay. Its primary function is to connect the CNS to the sense organs, muscles and skin. Let's talk about autonomic nervous system. This system includes the parts of the nervous system which control the involuntary function of our body. For example, the functions of internal organs like heart, stomach, and intestine. The ANS plays an important role in regulating the temperature, blood sugar, oxygen, and carbon dioxide level in the body. The ANS is also further subdivided into two main types: sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. It helps the body to respond to situations of stress, danger, or emergency. For example, on a roller coaster ride, some people might be very excited while some may be afraid. In either cases, it is a stressful situation. So, the sympathetic nervous system helps the body to prepare for this situation by increasing the heart rate and opening airways so that we can breathe more easily. Now we can talk about parasympathetic nervous system. Its function is usually opposite of that of sympathetic nervous system. Means it helps the body to relax by slowing down the heart rate and breathing rate. Okay. Now the main point of today's topic: balanced condition in the organ is called homeostasis. The balance condition in the organs is called homeostasis. Now let us conclude that what we have learned. Okay, so there are two main parts of nervous system: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. There are also two types of peripheral nervous system, means P and S. What are these? Somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Then autonomic nervous system is also divided into two sub parts. What are these? Sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, so if you like the video, so please like, share and comment, and also press the bell icon. If you want more video, please subscribe my channel so that you can get notification and find my video. Thank you.